Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. Firstly, I recommend to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put both your earbuds to the charging case. Now close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone. You can check it in the settings if you want to. As you can see, disconnected. Then you just open the charging case, your earbuds will reconnect with your phone, and then check is it fixed. Next step, if it doesn't, just perform a factory reset. You need to use a Backbeat application, open it, then go to the settings at the right top, and at the bottom we have reset settings. Click at this line, click reset headset and reset headset. Now click done, and after that we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and if you have Android you need to click pairing device button, but not all Android phones have this button, so maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Now, after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. You need to tap on them and click pair. After that, it will ask you to pair the left earbud, and you need to click pair again. Now, check if the factory reset didn't help you also. I recommend to put your earbuds to the charging case and then fully charge them. After that, check it. If it doesn't fixed, maybe you need to contact customer service. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!